Pati.
Oo naman.
Ito taas ang building.
Isiman na rin yan. Kaya nakakitang isim? Oo ka.
Ito is in. Ay, Diyos ko Lord.
Parang pwesto yun lang sa kaya. Parang dati mag-isa lang ako.
Mabuhay. Ito is in.
Kape mo dyan.
Ay!
Dito tayo dito pa. Hindi pa bantay ka na nga. Sabi na magbantay. Kogyaw lang. Kogyaw lang oh.
Alam niyo, magugulatin ako. Magugulatin.
Kalingan ko pa rin. Kapan din. Ruas na, ruas na.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to the Ninoy Aquino International Airport in Manila. We are now proceeding to NAIA Terminal 3 for proper parking and your safe disembarkation. And on behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Limbo and First Officer De La Cruz, together with your cabin crew team on this flight, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying with Cebu Pacific. Muli po sa ngalan ng pangkat na bumubuo sa lipad na ito, malugod po kami nagpapasalamat sa inyong patuloy na pagsakay at pagtangkilik sa Cebu Pacific Air. Magandang umaga po.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance. For passengers with onward connecting flights on Cebu Pacific or CEBGO, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For assistance, please approach our ground personnel upon disembarkation.
Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bins provided near the exits. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Thank you. Muli po namin pinaalalahanan ng mga panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais niyong itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lamang na dalhin ang mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. For guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside a seat pocket and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. Lastly, for guests needing special assistance, such as a wheelchair, you are advised to the plane last using the forward door for proper ground endorsement. Para po sa panauhing nangangailangan ng karagdagang tulong kagaya po ng wheelchair, kayo po ang huling bababa gamit ang unahang pintuan ng aeroplano. Maraming salamat po.
Kain ko rin.